How are you doing, fellow XRP investor? So here's an intriguing statistic for you. XRP is the only cryptocurrency in the top 10, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the rest. This is an intriguing analytical point. In this video, we will examine that. Please allow me a moment of your time. My name is Austin, and I am always grateful. We can get right down to business if you'll just like and subscribe. First, let's take a broad view of the market before I show you what I have, while keeping an eye on the situation. Very well. So at this very moment, the market is up 2%, seems satisfactory. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP have all seen price increases of around 2%. This chart clearly shows that XRP has been consolidating and moving sideways as of late. Remind me to mention that XRP experienced a 70% plus increase in July of this year, but since then it has primarily been consolidating. Honestly, this has kind of been the dominant theme, and we've seen that throughout the entire cryptocurrency market. Throughout the history of cryptocurrency, we have encountered numerous obstacles. We must successfully navigate this era of uncertainty and enter the year 2026. An endless bull run has been my topic of conversation. Hey, I'm totally on board with all of you. I am the proud owner of these cryptocurrency assets that I advocate. There are a few that have me completely bewildered, just as you and they likely are, and the current state of the market is making me very angry. What I like to term body blows keep happening to us. Rise up off the mat just to be pounded again. We just keep going like this. We stumble and stutter a bit. To be sure, I still have faith in crypto's potential, both as an investment asset for large institutions and as a tool for widespread use of XRP and similar technologies. Very well, I wanted to show you this. Additionally, I find this to be quite intriguing. That XRP is the only top 10 cryptocurrency that is really undervalued, according to sentiment, is basically being discussed here. What makes this intriguing is that if we exclude stablecoin from the list of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Tron, Doge, and Cardano, we still get the following. When you remove the tether from it, staying away from USDC all the way down to Cardano, those are the ones we're discussing very well. At its present price of $2.03, XRP is considered a truly sentimental investment, gets little respect. She felt like way. Explain what makes this fascinating. Speculative activity is low and open interest is flat, according to these derivative indicators, which means that speculation is low. There aren't many ins and outs surrounding it. Very well. The pricing reflects the cautious wait and see market attitude. Very well. The intriguing part, though, is this. Take a look at it. The 30-day market value to realized value of XRP, as reported in today's publication by Sentiment, the average recent buyer is currently losing money according to the MVRV ratio, which is negative 6.1%. It shouldn't be, and setting up the vehicle for possible swing trading opportunities. As we go further into that, though, you can see that they use similar analytics on Bitcoin. Therefore, Bitcoin is neutral at plus 2.4, but Ethereum is slightly overvalued at plus 7.2. To what end, then, is this all significant? Very well, then, I would like to do this. It essentially implies, and I'm going to emphasize that phrase a bit further, undervalued, all right? In other words, XRP is undervalued as compared to other cryptocurrencies at the moment, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, et cetera. I think it's a smart purchase. I also agree with them when they say that we're basically in a wait and see phase. From a market perspective, we are currently in a state of complete and utter waiting. Honestly, I feel this same about all cryptocurrencies. Nonetheless, it shows that XRP is an asset that long-term value investors should consider purchasing. It's a great purchase for the price range. Invest in it now if you want to reap the benefits later on. It's cheap compared to other options. You did not overbuy it, assuming that you're interested. I thought there was another word for it, undersold or oversold. Though they're not exactly the same, undervalued and oversold are like brothers and sisters. Very well. To put it simply, I just wanted to clarify that. Therefore, I felt it was important to repeat and make an intriguing point about this. Does that alter the general consensus that the current state of crypto has changed? Does that somehow improve it? Obviously not. All of us are aware that, we're all here with each other by your side. I stand. A stake in XRP is held by me. This is mine to keep. Plus, the current state of XRP's price is really annoying me. Crypto's recent price fluctuations have me fuming, among other things. The present moment is not that exciting, but these are the moments that put you to the test, and these are also the moments that I suppose make it all worthwhile. Last night, my wife and I were discussing how, it's the bad times that teach you the most and make you stronger. And then when the good times roll around, they're even better and sweeter, don't you think? Very well. This is merely some food for thought, but I felt compelled to share it with you nevertheless. This is something I felt needed to be brought up, almost reiterated. Plus, I was hoping to bring this along with you. I guess so. As far as sentiment is concerned, XRP is the sole undervalued cryptocurrency in the top 10. Very well. I guess so. All right, I just wanted to tell you this before I left you. Let me show you something. For example, at the moment, Zcash's 7-day price index is up 22%. I would want to tell you about this. The X1 algo is my trading indicator. The description has connections to it. If you're interested in giving it a go, the daily fee to utilize it is approximately $1.10 USD. You can try it risk-free for 30 days. While Android is computer-based, this software is iPhone-based. Sure, you can do the math. Anytime, any day of the year, you can use it. It also notifies you. A tiny notification will pop up on your phone as a result. Here we have an illustration of exactly that. This is where you may see the software's buy alert. There was a seller immediately after 33 days. An alert to buy has been sent, and that vendor is wearing red. After only 33 days, Zcash increased by 319%. Very well. There was a time when the market rotated around precisely at this location, I can tell you. Now is the time to sell it, software suggested, throughout this entire region in the near future. The software has returned and announced that it is time to buy, as you can see. Put it in a different light and sell it. This cryptocurrency is not worth risking a 46% loss on. Very well, even in times of extreme volatility, this software can help you determine the best times to purchase and sell any cryptocurrency. No matter the state of the market, there is always a chance for you guys to profit from cryptocurrency. All right. And one of the main ways that many of the wealthy individuals and those who are generating substantial income in the short term manage to do it is by having investments that are aimed at the long term. Even though my channel is mostly on long-term investments, I do show you how to do swing trading, which is what you're seeing here. By taking advantage of technologically enabled opportunities, you can make almost $3,000 on a $1,000 investment in just 36 days by buying and selling specific cryptocurrencies at a rate of 300% or more. Very well. There will be no more than 36 days. Very well. So the following is a description with links. Choose a strategy. I recommend doing it every 3 months. On a daily basis, quarterly is preferable. Additionally, the cost is approximately $1.10 daily. You can get it for even less than what you see on the screen by using the coupon code. Very well, so check it out and see if it works for you. You are granted a 30-day grace period. No questions asked, just a reminder. Sure, you can see the money back promise on the screen. That means you're safe from harm. 3 times a week in the members area, there is live training in real time. Get one-on-one assistance from a coach who is always available. You may easily arrange for live training sessions there. In the cryptocurrency industry, no one else is undertaking anything similar. Therefore, I have put money into the technology. That's why I've put money into your training. This whole thing is set up to make sure you succeed. The whales do this. Even in tough markets like this is how the big fish earn their money. You should try it out. There is absolutely no danger to you. Consider giving it a go for 30 days. Get your money back right away if you're not satisfied. We won't probe you for personal details like why you're canceling or requesting a refund. Below the description, you will find links. Gather her up. Very well. I will meet with you. Bye.